Okay, so today we are working on problems 22, 23, and 24. For this first one, we can just use the snail method right away. And we'll have log base 3 of 15 equals x. For the second one, we have to use that subtraction property first. So we'll keep the log base 7 the same. And we'll have x squared minus 2 all divided by 2. Now we can do that with snail. We'll have 7 squared equals x squared minus 2 over 2. 7 squared is 49. When we multiply by 2, we'll have 98 equals x squared minus 2. We add that 2 over, and we'll have 100 equals x squared. Take the square root of both, we have x equals plus or minus 10. And for number 24, first we want to get that e by itself. So if you remember, we draw a little box around it. We'll add the 12 over, and we'll have 3 e to the 3x equals 32. Again, keep that box right there, so we'll divide by 3. Leave that as a fraction. Now we can do our snail. We'll have ln of 32, the natural log of 32 over 3 equals 3x. We'll divide by 3, and we have x equals natural log 32 over 3 divided by 3. That is tonight's homework. If you have questions on any of these, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.